department. I got a warrant from the 15th. You can't even talk because you didn't know shit about it. So I came in there. So
Marina.
8 warnings. That is exactly how many chances this officer gave Marina before everything spiraled out of control on the scorching concrete of a Walmart parking lot. But what the police don't know yet is that Marina isn't here for a simple shoplifting call. She's on a mission for revenge, fueled by a private group chat, all while her own mother watches. Stay with us until the end, because the moment she accuses her mother of betrayal will leave you speechless.
she's trying to fight because she's trying to keep her job. She's fighting for her job.
Let's go. Let's go outside.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's me again. Let's go.
God.
You're getting CT'd. Oh, God, dude. Is that her mom?
Yeah, that's her.
Ma'am, can you come with me to your car? Or come with me to my vehicle? If she's not going to take this criminal trespass warning, I'm going to give it to you. She's not allowed back here. So come with me so I can write the criminal trespass warning.
My mother's leaving. Thank you.
Stop before you get locked
What
up
are
for
you
disorderly
doing? I'm
conduct.
trying to show her evidence she doesn't want to see it.
She's not dealing with
So I'm not to leave. Why can't I leave?
Like I told you, the police department, if you do this,
I'm at the
I will
exit.
take you to jail for
I'm going
disorderly
to the exit.
conduct. Ma'am, will you walk with me, please?
Sure.
I'm going to give you
No. She's not arrested.
Hey,
What is she walking with you for?
Marina.
I'm not dealing with
Why
this.
don't you just leave me alone? Let me leave. We got our groceries. Let me leave. I was trying to show your major the video of the nigga beating my ass, and he said it was too loud, wasn't it?
Marina.
There's a
Calm
warrant
down.
for that case.
And it's not being solved.
Marina.
You didn't even know about it until I went in
We
there.
can't just magically arrest you.
Can I leave? You're not gonna get my shit.
Marina, calm down.
Come on, let's go.
Marina, calm down.
Why are you trying to? Why are you on their side?
I'm just telling you.
Why are you on their side?
I'm not on anybody's side.
Oh, well, calm
Calm down.
Can you? What?
Down.
You don't want to see the
Marina,
evidence
I'm not
of-
playing this game today.
Can I explain what happened?
Step outside. I'm not playing this game
I
today.
thought you were just trying to fight me. What?
Let's go outside.
Oh, sorry, that's hers. I'm so.
ID.
Yeah, watch the out.
Marina. Stop.
You're about to be placed under
Marina.
arrest for disorderly
I'm
conduct.
leaving.
Marina, we're
Go.
going out.
Get my mama. My mama's taking me
Go.
home.
Going out. Come
Go.
Come on, let's go, mom.
Not playing this game
Let's
today.
go, mom. Let's go.
Not playing this game today,
No,
Marina.
we came from this way, didn't we?
We're going out to my vehicle.
No, we're not.
Marina.
Can you tell him to leave me alone?
What does she do?
I'm leaving. What the f?
Our associates apparently they knew each other outside of Walmart, and they have been talking to each other outside of Walmart. She came in here, our associate was over there, she was over there, she came to our associate told her to leave, and that if we wanted to cause trouble to go outside because she didn't want to do it inside the workplace.
Okay.
We separated them. She had some returns that she was trying to exchange. We tried to exchange some, but we have to have like the exact item to exchange them. And they didn't bring in the exact item, so we're trying to.
They didn't have the stuff in inventory and would not let me replace my little sliced mushrooms from whole.
It all starts with a dispute over sliced mushrooms that goes south fast. But make no mistake, the mushrooms are just a pretext. In her mind, she isn't looking at retail workers. She's looking at virtual enemies she has come to confront in the real world.
Let's go.
So what information are you getting? What is this report gonna say?
But you're acting disorderly in the store. So
That's
we
all you're not
leave
footage?
and I criminally trespass you? Like the police department? What are you going to
Oh my
do? Ma'am, I'm telling you, if she keeps doing this at certain places, she's going to go to jail.
Why is you talking to my mother? Come on,
Because
mom.
I can't. She's being
No.
cordial with.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going home. You want me to walk home again? Do you want me to walk home again? Come on, let's go then. Can you please, mom? Please, come on, let's go.
Good, Sam. It's going to be regular. She's walking out of the store now. I'm with her, Mom. Trying to issue criminal trespass. Okay, you're not leaving until I give a criminal trespass
No.
or your mom. So it's going to happen.
Why?
Marina. Because we're
If you
yelling.
keep raising your voice
Bro, get
in a
away
public
from me.
setting, I will arrest you. I'm
Public
not
setting.
playing this game.
I'm leaving. Leave me alone. You banned me from the police department. I got a warrant from the 15th. You can't even talk because you didn't know shit about it. So I came in there. So
Marina.
Many people believe that freedom of speech protects them when hurling insults, but in this context, that's a misconception. That final off isn't just a profanity, it's the legal proof that Marina has no intention of complying with a lawful order to leave the premises.
no.
Stop.
Where's your
Turn
manager?
around. Put your hands
Get
behind your
away
back.
from me.
Stop.
Get away from me.
Got one resisting. Turn
Are you
around. Put your hands behind
serious?
your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. I'm not playing this game.
Ow, shit.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Where is your manager? Are you serious?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yo!
Stop.
Okay, let me get my
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Whoa.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me get my shit.
Stop.
Yo, my house is so...
Stop.
Yo, it's
Stop
hot as
resisting.
shit. This brown ground is hot as shit. Yo, hold on. Let me
Turn
get
around.
my shit.
Put your hands behind your back.
Calm down.
Yo, this
Calm down.
pavement is hot as...
Hey, from one resist.
Calm down.
I'm
Stop.
not resisting, I'm in a dress. What the f*** am I vagina be out? Shit. I'm like, back up.
Step
You've been
up.
waiting to do this shit, huh?
Step up.
You've been waiting to do this shit. Yeah, let me get my shoe.
Over here.
Crazy as f-
Gave you multiple warnings.
I was leaving.
Can't be acting disorderly in front of a
I
public
was
setting.
leaving
Let's
the
go.
Walmart.
Stop.
Who's gonna come? Clifton?
Stop.
Who's gonna come?
Marina.
Scylla?
Marina.
Foreman?
62, need a
Are you?
transport.
Hey, you're hurting me, please.
Stop pulling. I just need you to get over here. Screaming.
Can I
You can put
stand
it
in
back
the
in the car.
corner?
You can stand right here by my
All
car.
right, can you please let me go?
No, you're under arrest.
Okay, can you
So
stop?
they said some-
Now I'm in cuffs already.
I'm not letting you go.
You think I'm gonna run?
You don't know how this works. You just tried to fight me. Will you
I did
please
not
let-
trying to fight you. You just had to put me on hot concrete with my ass out.
Marina. Stop.
You thought that was okay?
Marina.
This is a classic case of grievance projection. Marina attempts to deflect from her own illegal behavior by pointing the finger at the officer's supposed aggression. In her mind, she isn't the aggressor. She's the victim of a system that refuses to hear her side of the story.
So they're gonna just stand there and look. Can they go in? Can they go in? They gotta watch this shit?
Huh?
They have to watch it?
Watch what?
You doing this shit?
It's all right here.
Okay, what about them? Go inside, right?
No, they're the
Oh,
ones
they
who
can do
called.
it. They can do it, yeah.
They're the ones who called. Stop.
Wait, I'm not running. It just shit hurts.
Stop pulling away.
Break your feet for me.
These are the
Marina ends the night with a scraped knee and a one-way ticket to the Cobb County Jail. The final charges are disorderly conduct, obstruction, and resisting arrest. Marina mistook a Walmart for a courtroom. She tried to settle personal scores where she should have just been buying groceries. By ignoring 8 separate warnings, she didn't just lose her freedom for the night, she lost every bit of her credibility. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.